Have you ever noticed beautiful tables in PowerPoint presentation like this? Yes, these tables are a cool feature of PowerPoint which makes them very useful software to learn. Hey kids, are you ready to learn another cool PowerPoint tool that will make your classmates green with envy? Today we are going to show you how to insert a table in a presentation and make organizing information a piece of cake. Let's get it started. Inserting a table into a PowerPoint presentation is simple and straightforward, even for a baby kangaroo. With the table, you can easily organize your information into rows and columns, making it easier for your audience to understand. And the best part, you look like a professional. Okay kids, get ready to turn your old boring data into visual stunning feast for the eye. Suppose your teacher has assigned some work to a few lucky students and she is now ready to share the results with the class. How is she going to do it? By putting those results in a table? Of course. And lucky for you, you're about to learn how to make one yourself. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tables? Boring. But hold your horses because this one's got 6 columns and 6 rows. And don't forget, the top row is reserved for all the details on what each column is all about. Let's do this. Suppose we have to insert a table with 6 columns and 6 rows. To insert a table in PowerPoint, go to the Insert tab and click on Table button and then choose the number of rows and columns you want for your table. You will notice that the selected number of columns and rows are changing. Here, as you move the mouse, click when you see 6 by 6 here. Wow! You will see that a table containing 6 columns and 6 rows has been created. The various rectangular boxes in a table are called cells, in which we input the data. The data can be put as cells, maybe numbers, texts, symbols, and graphics. You can also insert table by clicking Insert tab. Click on the Table button, then click Insert Table. A dialog box will appear. Insert the required number of rows and columns and click OK. I put 6 columns and 6 rows and click OK. Hooray! Same table has been created. Section 2. Formatting a table. Let's input the data in the created table and format it. Adjusting rows and columns. To increase or decrease the height of rows in a table, bring the mouse at this point, click it and drag and drop like this. I have increased the height of rows that seems suitable to me. Let's change the heading to Assignment Results and include headers in the top row. Serial number, student name, total marks, marks obtained, grading remarks. Adjust the width of the columns by placing the mouse on any line and dragging it as per requirement. To center the text in top row, select the top row by bringing the cursor at the start of the row. Wait till its shape changes like this and click it. The entire row will be selected. Now click Center in Paragraph Group of the Home tab. All the headings will be centered. Now populate the rest of the tables like this. Changing table styles. Once you have inserted a table, it's time for you to make it look fancy. You can format it to make it look the way you want. For example, you can change the colors, add borders, and even apply a special style. Just like choosing the perfect outfit for your school picture day. Click anywhere on the table. You will notice that a new tab named Table Design appears at the ribbon. Click Table Design tab and notice the table style. You will see multiple table styles with different color combinations here. Click this button to open more table styles. Select any style you like and click it. And if you are adventurous, you can try another table style like this or like this. Changing cell color in a table. You can change the color of few cells in a table. This may be required to beautify the table like this or putting emphasis on some data like this. To do this, select the cells whose color you want to change. Click Shading button and Table Styles group. A dialog box will appear. Select the color you like and click it. You will notice that the color of the selected cells will change. You can also change the background color of the table like this. Click Shading button in Table Styles group. A dialog box will appear. Move the cursor to table background. A color palette appears. Select any color shade of your choice and you will notice that the background color has changed. Section 1 was all about inserting the table. Two methods were discussed. Method 1 was to click Insert tab of ribbon, then click Table and manually choosing the numbers of columns and rows by dragging the mouse. In method 2, we clicked on the Insert Table here and we entered the number of columns and rows required in a table. Section 2 was about formatting the table. We discussed about adjusting rows and columns by dragging and dropping like this, and then we discussed about changing table styles by clicking Table Design tab of ribbon, then select any table style of your choice from Table Style group, and we finally learnt about changing cell color by clicking Shading in Table Design and selecting any color. We also learnt to change the background color of table by selecting any color from table background here. I hope you found this video useful. In the next video, we will learn about inserting shapes and images in a presentation. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.